Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need a UPI-enabled bank account and the Google Pay app updated. Open the app now. Tap Pay or the scan QR icon to activate the camera. Allow camera permission if prompted. Once done, point the camera at the seller's QR code until it frames and recognizes the code. Make sure the QR sits within the on-screen guide and hold steady for 1 second while the app reads the code to load payment details automatically. Once the QR decodes, review the merchant name, UPI ID, and suggested amount. You are responsible for verification. If the amount is blank or incorrect, type the correct amount and add a note for receipts. Dynamic QR codes may prefill totals while static ones won't. Next, select the bank account if you have multiple, then tap Pay. You will be prompted to enter your UPI PIN, enter it to authorize and complete the transaction securely. After entering your UPI PIN, wait for the success confirmation and save or screenshot the receipt for records. You will also get a notification and SMS. If the payment stalls or fails, first check your network, confirm your UPI PIN, and ensure you haven't hit per transaction or daily bank limits. If still unresolved, note the transaction ID and contact the merchant or your bank. Providing the ID speeds up dispute.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.